For centuries, construction has been human work. Hands covered in dust, bodies strained by heavy labor, cities built brick by brick, floor by floor. But something is changing. On construction sites around the world, machines are no longer just tools. They are becoming workers, robots that never get tired, machines that build with millimeter precision, AI systems that plan, predict, and execute. This isn't the future. It's already happening. And it raises a powerful question. Are robots about to take over construction? 1. Why construction must change. Construction is one of the oldest industries and one of the least efficient. Projects often suffer from labor shortages, rising costs, dangerous working conditions, delays, and human error. In many countries, fewer young people are entering construction. At the same time, cities are growing faster than ever. The world needs more housing, more infrastructure, more buildings, faster. Traditional construction simply can't keep up. That gap is where robots enter the picture. 2. Meet the construction robots. Construction robots don't look like humans. They look like robotic arms, autonomous vehicles, eye-controlled machines. Some robots lay bricks faster than any human crew. Others weld steel, pour concrete, cut materials with extreme precision. Companies like Boston Dynamics have developed robots that can navigate rough terrain, climb stairs, and carry heavy loads. These machines don't replace one worker. They replace entire processes. 3. AI is becoming the site manager. Robots don't work alone. They are guided by artificial intelligence. AI systems now analyze blueprints, optimize construction schedules, detect structural risks before accidents happen. Drones scan sites daily, comparing progress to digital models. If something is wrong, AI flags it immediately. Construction becomes less reactive and more predictive. Instead of fixing mistakes after they happen, AI prevents them from happening at all. For autonomous machines on site, heavy machinery is evolving. Excavators, bulldozers, and loaders are becoming autonomous. Companies like Caterpillar are developing machines that dig foundations, move earth, grade land, all without human drivers. These machines work day and night with perfect consistency, without fatigue. The construction site becomes quieter, but far more efficient. 5. 3D printed buildings. One of the biggest disruptions is robotic 3D printing. Instead of building walls brick by brick, robots print entire structures layer by layer. Concrete printing robots can build houses in days, reduce material waste, cut costs dramatically. Some printed homes already exist today. By the 2030s, entire neighborhoods may be built this way. Construction shifts from craftsmanship to digital manufacturing. 6. Safety, speed, and precision. Construction is one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. Robots change that. Machines can work at extreme heights, handle toxic materials, operate in unsafe environments. Human workers move into safer roles monitoring systems, programming machines, supervising operations. Accidents decrease, precision increases. Construction becomes more like a high-tech factory than a chaotic job site. 7. What happens to workers? This is the hardest question. Will robots eliminate construction jobs? Some manual roles will disappear, but new jobs emerge. Robot operators, AI supervisors, maintenance technicians, digital construction planners. The workforce doesn't vanish, it transforms. The challenge is speed. Technology moves faster than retraining systems. If society fails to adapt, the disruption could be painful. The future is being built by machines. Robots aren't just building structures, they're rebuilding an industry. Construction in the future will be faster, safer, more precise, more automated. Cities will rise with fewer workers on site, but more intelligence behind the scenes. The question is no longer, will robots take over construction? The real question is, how fast and how prepared are we? Because the future skyline is already being built by machines.